Hello everyone, I am here with a journal share. This one is one of the really long ones that is 11 and a half by, let me see, by 4 3/4. And it has 2 signatures inside. And it's super long, so I might have to like video it a little sideways. And I have my whiteboard that I usually video on. I did some painting today, so I got that all messed up. So I have my phone sitting here, so the light won't shine on this. You know, that's just why things look a little weird. Just thought I'd let you know. Otherwise, I'd move this, but you'd have a big old shiner in your eyeballs. So let's just go at least keep that there for a second. But the cover on this one, I used, let's see, what did I use? I think I used a file folder, but I glued on this tissue paper that has script on it, and it's almost like a waxy tissue paper. It's a little bit thicker than actual tissue paper. I don't know if you can see the script on there. Anyways, it was a script tissue paper, and then I just kind of scrunched it up and got it kind of wrinkly and stuff. Let that dry really well. And then I used Patty's Stains by Patty Pockets. And you can get this on her Etsy, and I really love this. And I put it on here a couple times to get it to look like this. The first time it wasn't dark enough for me, so I used it twice, and this is how it came out, and I absolutely love it. I sewed around the edges and did this little book plate here with some cheesecloth underneath. I guess that's what you call it. And right here I just backed it with some fabric. Did some sewing around it, and I used pink monarch prints, and mostly her, I think, and I'll let you know, I'll link her below, and then I'll let you know if I come across something or someone else, if I can get it open. I just got done mowing my lawn, and oh, that kills me. Kills me. Oh, there we go. And we have an organza ribbon closure and the big eyelets for the closure there. Did some buttons. I want to say this is from Artie Mays, but I'm not sure whose butterfly that is. And yeah, let's go inside. Inside, I just backed it with this cardstock, this printed cardstock. And in the spine, I used canvas, you know, so I could stiffen up the spine a little. And over here we have a little pocket with some journaling cards inside. Some authentic ledger, vintage ledger, and that's just for decoration there. And some little lace trim. Isn't this so cute? Oh my goodness, I love this. I love these. And yeah, I'm pretty sure there's Artie Mays, mostly pink monarch prints, I believe. Pretty sure that's who it is. And just a little collage right there. Mostly everything's coffee dyed. I have a little Tim Holtz vellum pocket here with a time card inside. And then these beautiful tags. Trina made this one. And I just put these in there. And lots of room for, sorry, these are almost too big for me to film. There we go. This is Artie Mays right here. And just a garden book page. Did some tabs on here. And here is just a little pocket with some Tim Holtz people, and I just glued that down to make a pocket. And we have this pretty little journaling tag. And this one, and I just put a little tuck on there like that. On that one. I just kind of tucked it on like so. And then on this side, this is just a flip out right here. Some map, some old dollhouse paper there, and some pretty trim down on the bottom, and these two cute little tags tucked in there, some tabs. This is out a really old vintage magazine. I'll show you that if I can find it really quick, like maybe. Oh my goodness. Oh, I know where I put it. Sorry. It's this one. I found it at a secondhand store, and oh my goodness, this thing is huge. It's a big old vintage gardening book, and it's got some really cool illustrations, and it's just amazing. I just love this thing, but it is like really, really big. And I don't know, I think it's from, what year is this? Oh, it says copyright 1974. So it's not super old. It's not as old as I am. But it just looks super old, right? Anyways, that's where that page came from. And over here we have a double pocket. And I just have a layered tag I made right there. And these two, this is out of the old typewriter book that I think I've showed this before. This book right here, and then it has some really cool things in it, and it flips up this way, but it's really got some neat ephemera pieces in there and stuff. And this is from 1923. That is crazy. I can't believe I ripped it up, but I did. So there's no going back. And I just backed it with coffee dyed paper. And then this pretty little tag, or journaling card. And some lined paper. The other part of the magazine page. And up here we have a little see-through pocket. And I put these two little tags inside. I think that pocket's so cute. And over here is another pocket with some lace on it, with this big old tag, and another bee, and then this little, excuse me, I got the hiccups. Oh my goodness, did I really do that? For real? Let's see how I did that. I never glue them in like oh my goodness. It's because it's a video. I'll fix it when I'm done with the video. But anyway, there's a card in there. I'll set that over there so I can fix it. And the map, some more tabs. And here I just made a little, out of this little bee thing, I put this little clip on here. Little, I don't know. It's not really, I don't know if it's a Tim Holtz clip. I think it is. And this is a little trifold of all the bugs, which I thought was super cute. And I just clipped that on there to keep it closed. And behind it, I put this cute little tag. Then this one. And this one I tucked in back there. Like that. And I just put that on there for some writing space. The other side of that booklet page. And over here is another little pocket, and Trina made this one. And I have a tag I collaged on, and a library card. Over here is a little cluster tuck spot that I did with this little journaling card. Some more little lace. And that is a bee rub-on that I found in my stash. I don't even know where I got that, but I like it, and so I'll put it in here. And over here is a little belly band that I just put. This is a eco-dyed page from, I believe, Nick the Booksmith. And I just did a little, I have to do it from the top. Because I'm not coordinated very well when it comes to that. And then this is just a little cut off paper, and I just tucked this little piece of ephemera under there and tucked that in there like so. Like that. Excuse me. I wonder if I'm the only one out there with allergies. Sometimes this stuff just doesn't go away. A little tuck spot there with these little tiny tags, and I just did some stamping on them. And tuck those in there. Another little tab. Old map. Another one of those cool pages. Some dollhouse paper. And it's just a little cluster that's glued on right there. And with this big journaling tag. And then these two. Whoopsie. 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 Lincoln. Of course they're going to have to say hello as well, right? Another little tuck spot. I think this is My Porch Prince, I believe. Pretty sure. The cat and my dog are both playing. But the cat will let him know when she's done playing. That's for sure. She'll give him a little wallop and he'll scream like a baby. Oh, it's so funny. She is the boss, that's for sure. And here's another little booklet with one of those little clips. And I just clipped that little tag on there. And this one is some extra pages. And I just put this back on like that and tucked it in there. Isn't those cool? I think those are so cool. And this flips out. Here's another little see-through pocket. You can tuck from both, you know, it can go in this way. I just tucked this little tag in there so it'll have a different color of background. And then this little bird tag. I just tucked it in right there. Oops, sorry. Making some racket. Lots of places for journaling. Another little... Oh my goodness. Oh, that's sad. I just ripped it a little bit right there. But I love these bee tags. I just think they're so cute. And then this little cluster right here. Obviously, I must have glued it to the tag. And some vintage little lace trim on there. And here I just clipped on this. That goes on. Oh my goodness, I must have just glued everything. I just made a little like flap on this little envelope here, and inside is another one of those little bird tags. Glued on some zigzag trim and tucked it over this page like that. Did a little clip, and then this goes inside this little envelope, but I just left it on the outside with the little Tim Holtz paper clip there. Tucked it in like that. And on this side, I put this little cute tag. And then in the back pocket, we have a vellum pocket here with these two. And I just tucked this one. No, I didn't. They both went in the pocket. I guess I glued the pocket all the way down this time. Last time I didn't. This time I must have. And that is that. Sorry this video is all over the place. But yeah, this one is already spoken for. And I'm going to send her in the mail tomorrow. Oh, I don't want to do that because I have to fix this. But yeah, Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching my videos, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.